Interpolation exercise here, which is not this one, the cutter compensation one. This exercise here, out of the Haas programming workbook. And Jacob's going to test his program. He's simulated tested it. We're going to see if it cuts chips or not, if it follows that path, pre-existing path.
Want 2 inches above or not?
Let's do dry run above. So memory reset, cycle start. Single block off. Yeah. All right. Doesn't appear to be moving, right? What's your feed rate say? What's the actual feed rate? All right. 50. Well, let's put this on 100%. All right. Hit reset. We gotta fix that. Now, a quick way of getting around is actually search by what you're looking for. Well, you can fix that one. Go on 50 decimal point. Hit Alter. Type in F. And cursor down, F. It'll search for the next one. Oh, no, go ahead. Reset. Top, do F, letter F, and arrow down, and do another one. Yep. Fix that one. Alter. Okay, let's do memory reset and a rerun. Okay, let's try it again. Now it's running at 12 inches a minute. Let's increase it temporarily to 200. We can shut the coolant off. We don't need the coolant. All right. So far it looks correct. I think I like this addition to the code testing program. We did simulator, but I think we get out here and see it for real. It's a G1 move, and then it does what? G2?
That's a G3.
G3, sorry, backwards. G1. And where's it go now? Home. Goes to home. Okay, let's remove the 2-inch dry run shift. All right, chips or no chips? What do you think?
Maybe a little bit.
Okay, we'll see what happens. All right. Chips or no chips? Of course, we've been making a lot of parts with Fusion 360 CAD/CAM assistance, but we're getting to the nuts and bolts of G-code here. See if I can see a little bit better. Try to clean these windows. No chips. I think we got another winner. Done. All right, another winner. He gets an A.